in a bad, in a dark mood, right? Agus haishe hain in Irish Arish. Does anyone know what Irish is? Magazine. Sai is to basically thrust himself into a magazine again. So okay, haishe hain. Okay. Okay. So in Irish in the magazine Arish again. Okay. Trijeg, Bob.
Rysúr chlog eile blian chalín agus chuise isteach is siomra an doctor.
Okay, so Tarish Uran Chlugella.
After
Another hour. Glee and Colleen air. Remember the word glee or glee? Called. The girl called. You call on someone, so she called him. Agus chuise isteach. Or chuise isteach. He went in. Is siomra an doctora. In the room of the doctor, okay? Caharjeg, Catchling.
Bhí an doctor ó Léacha ina hí ag a gheasc ag scríb nótaí I leabhar.
Okay, so bhí an doctor ó Léacha.
Yes.
In a he. Sitting ag a gheasc at his desk.
Writing a note in the book.
Yeah, writing notes in a book. Yeah, very good. Okay.
Is that spelled right, doctor?
Oh, doctor. Yeah, there shouldn't be an R there. The first R should not be there.
Kathleen, that was your victory dance?
Yeah.
Okay,
Actually,
doctor.
the whole sentence.
Okay. Cuijeg, Bob.
He call him a gahir lena ash.
Okay, so he call him a gahir lena ash.
Colin sat in the chair.
Yeah, lena ash means next to him. Okay. All right. Shejeg, Catchline.
Colm O'Shea is Anam Dumpson.
Okay, which is
O'Shea is my name.
yeah, Colin O'Shea is my name. Okay. Shachjeg, Bob.
Van de bal a dúirtin doctor go gierish.
Okay. Fan Hummel, a dirt and doctor.
Wait a moment.
Wait a moment. Yeah, wait a while. A dirt and doctor.
The doctor.
Go Gjorishk. It's abruptly. Okay. Ochteg, Catchline.
Bhí Colm Cún a Hillam a rá ach bheas sé go méir sé níos crinne fanach ina hos.
Okay, so vi column huna hilla ara. Do you know what the word ara means? To say. So vi column huna hilla. Do you know what a hilla means? It means more. So vi column huna hilla ara. Column was going to say more. Ach vas she, but he thought gomeach she, that it would be gomeach she. Nis kriana, be wiser. Okay. Fanacht in a host. No, in a host.
Say nothing.
To stay quiet, to remain in his quietness. It's basically what it is. Fanacht in a host.
That's a good concept. Someone should stay in their quietness also.
Yeah, so if you want to say to someone be quiet, you can say be the host.
Be the host.
Be in your quiet. Be the host. Okay. Nijeg, Bob.
Trish Tamalin, Jerry and Dr. S and Scrape Europe, agus Chashe Chuig Cullen.
Okay, so Tarish Tamalin. After a little while. Okay, Tamal is a while, Tamalin little while. Tarish Tamalin. Diary and Doctor as in Screeb Noracht.
Doctor got up from his writing.
Yeah, and actually what it means he stopped writing. He didn't necessarily get up and he
He just
abandoned it.
stopped his
Okay. Yeah. Okay. When you quit a job, you IRE, awesome job. Okay.
What does Irie mean?
IRE literally means to get up, basically, but it's used for a lot of things. It's used like it's used to mean to succeed at something. If something IREs with you, okay, it goes up with you, I guess. But it's also what you use. IRE as means to quit something. So. Agus hashe chuig column. Remember kasser chlay, kasser yesh? Turned.
Turn to column.
Yeah, and he turned to column. Okay? Alright. There's a bunch of sheets here. The others are from last week.
Alright.
Okay.
3?
Yeah. 3 from last week, 1 from this week. So it should be 4 total. Okay. Alright. Iver ficha catchling.
Well, kata a dhéanamh imní ditch a diaphree sé.
So, well, kadta genov imri ditch a jirishe.
What
Okay.
is?
Kadata ig genov, kadata ig genov imri ditch.
What have you been up
Does anyone know what imri is? Imri is worry. Or so kadta ig genov imri ditch. What is making worry for you? What is bothering you? Okay. A jirishe.
Yes.
He asked. A jirishe. Fury is ask. A jirishe. He asked. 21. Bob.
Elam agam hain a dragger column.
Neelam agam hain.
Something with him himself.
Yeah. I'm not myself. Literally, I don't have myself. I'm not at myself or something like that. But I'm not myself. Okay. Neelam agam hain, a dragger column. Yeah, answer column. Fragger is to answer. Okay. Fichado catching.
Tá tins kin orm, agus níl mogilla har walla virtue.
Okay. So tinnis kinorum.
And then it's on me.
Agus Neil Magilla. Do you know what Gilla is? Stomach or appetite. So Neil Magilla. Har Wola Bercha means not too great. Literally, it's not beyond the praise. It's not past the praise of 2 people. Okay.
Sure, I knew that.
Okay. Means if you can't find more than 2 people, we give you a good word. So it's not too good. Okay. I guess you can always find those too, huh? All right, ficha 3, Bob.
Ban jit the chota agus askil bara galena.
Okay, so banjir tachota.
Take out your coat.
So banjir is take off of you. Tachota, your coat. Agus oskil bar delania.
Open up your shirt.
Bar delania. Top of the shirt, actually. Top. Okay. Bar is top. Boon is bottom. Bar is top. So. Okay. Ficha kafer or catchling.
Rinne an doctor screwdo air.
So Rinya and Doctor Screwdo. Yeah. Since you were in school and I gotta know what a screwdo is. Okay.
Exam.
Yeah, exam. Screwdo is an exam.
Screwdo is an exam.
Okay.
Don't forget that.
Yeah.
Exam on him.
Geall-Cuid, Bob.
Anshin huishe share agus stanshe go gear column.
Okay, and Shin, he, she, sheer. Sheer. Is he sat, sheer is back, so he sat back. Agus stanshe, stared. Goger, you know what that means? Goger is sharply. Cholam. Yeah, like Gara is, yeah. Goger. Cholam, at Cholam, right? Ficha catching.
Ken is to.
Ken ish tu. How old are you? Ken ish tu. Bob?
Siblina Spisha.
Cheblina is ficha. 26. 6 years and 20.
6 years.
Cheblina agus ficha. Okay? Shay. Shay is 6. Cheblina 6 year. Agus ficha and 20. Okay? Yeah, so 26. Catchling. Ficha hoch.
Came sleeve vaha atá agad.
So ken plívacha agad. I don't know what a slívacha is. Yeah, it's a way of life. What job do you do? What's your
Yeah.
occupation? Ken
What
slívacha.
do you do? Yeah.
Yeah, literally way of life.
Yeah.
It's like your occupation. So Kintli Bachatabit, what job do you have? What do you do for work?
Do we call it way of life?
Yeah.
Mm.
It's your way of earning your living, I guess. Fichani Bob.
Ialín Cheanagam.
Nilin Shanagam.
Anotón.
Yeah. Literally, what is it? Nilin Shanagam.
I don't have a job.
I don't have one.
I don't have
Nilin
one.
Shanagam.
I haven't got one.
Is it and one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Or any one.
Anyone.
No,
Yeah.
Down is a head, down this head, but it means you don't have it.
Yeah.
Um,